Text Writing Module Function Introduction, Find Text. Thesaurus. This feature not only includes commonly used structural annotation vocabulary, but also allows you to create your own vocabulary and manage your frequently used phrases. The entries in the vocabulary can be inserted into any text editor. Click the Thesaurus function. The interface and operation of the Vocabulary Manager are similar to Windows Explorer. On the left is a tree directory, and on the right is a list. Right-clicking on the directory or entry you want to edit will bring up an edit menu with the same commands as the top row. Double-clicking on an entry will insert it into the current document. Find and replace. This command is used to find and replace specific strings in the drawing. Click the Find and Replace function. Users can select the required search condition checkboxes in the Find What field. The text box or drop-down list to the right will be activated, and you can enter the search conditions. Similarly, enter the replacement result in the Replace With field. In the Search Options field, there are 4 checkboxes that users can select according to their needs. After setting all the conditions, click the Select Replace button to select the range of text to be modified in the drawing. After clicking the right mouse button or pressing Enter, a dialog box will pop up to inform you of the number of modifications. Find and replace text completed. CE Translation. This command is used for mutual translation between Chinese and English in the drawing. Click the CE Translation function. Select the first corner point and other corner point for the text to be translated. If the selected content exists in the dictionary, the selected text will be displayed in the Screen Content area, and its translation will be shown in the Word Translation area. If the word is not in the dictionary, you can enter the translation in the Word Translation area and click the Save to Dictionary button. The next time you use this command, the word will be automatically translated. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.